Hi everyone. I'm Mike, your new virtual colleague and actor, created by Smart Roads team. I'm looking forward to working with you on all your Smart Roads features. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with your vendor status. After registering as a vendor, you will notice on top right corner your status. There are 4 different status a vendor can have. The first and most common one is green status. Green indicates that you, as a vendor, are available to take new clients and are accepting calls. Each time you open Smart Roads, even before switching to vendor section, your icon on the live map will become green and your current location will be updated for all users and potential clients. Clients, who we refer to as riders who need your help, will be able to see you on the live map right away. Riders will be able to call, text you, and request a service you offer. You can also see yourself on the map from the rider's screen. This will help you to better understand how the riders see you. When a rider is requesting your service through Smart Roads, you will receive notification on your app and a text message on your phone. Once you accept a request from a client through the app, your icon on the map will become red for everyone. This tells the other users that you are servicing someone and you are busy. Your app icon will stay red until you or the rider who ordered your service will click Call Completed or Call Canceled. While then red, you can still receive requests for more calls. You will be able to accept them and put them in the queue. So by the time you complete one call, you have another one waiting for you. Remember to set the call use service to finish, otherwise you will stay as red icon on the map. When you turn off your Smart Roads app, your icon will appear gray on the map. It will show your last known location before you turn it off your app. Clients can still call and text you directly to your phone number. They would be able to send you a request for service. Each time a rider requests your service, you will receive a text message notification. This means that you can still get clients, even if you forgot to turn on Smart Roads. Pretty cool, right? When you decide you don't want to show on the map, just set it to invisible. You will instantly disappear from the map until the next time you launch the app or set it back to available without closing Smart Roads. When you set your status to invisible, riders and other vendors won't be able to see you, not even your last known location. This is all for the status bar guide. It's as simple as that. Now you are aware of how the riders will see you and how each status works. Take advantage of showing on the map when you want to get clients, and become invisible when you want to rest.